Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be testing whether the reference data generated by our ETL process in the database matches the master reference data present in the reference database. Let's start by creating a reconciliation rule that allows us to compare the two sets of data. Let's name our rule appropriately. We begin by setting up the source connection. We select the source schema and the table, phone number type. Let's preview the data. We have three types of phone numbers: cell phone, home phone, and work phone. Our goal is to verify that these phone types in the source database match those in our reference database. Next, we set up the target database reference database. We select the table, phone number type. Since the column names in the source and target are the same, we can directly connect them. We will use the phone number type ID as the primary key for the join condition. And we will add the remaining two columns, name and modified date, as our checks. With the checks added, we are comparing the name from our source data to the name in our reference data. And we are also comparing the modified date from our source to the modified date in our reference data. Let's publish and execute the rule. After refreshing the results, we find that we are getting a warning. To investigate further, we click on the instance ID. We can see that there are no issues with the name comparison. However, we have three mismatches in the modified date. This occurs because the modified date in our source data is different from the modified date in our reference data. In summary, we have successfully verified that the names present in our reference data match the names generated by our ETL process. Thank you.
With iceDQ, automate data migration testing, ETL and big data testing, BI report testing, and production data monitoring. Get iceDQ today.